So here's the finished project of the in-ground trampoline that we installed. And it got a little bit lower on the front than I really wanted it to. I was able to get it a little higher in the back. Made sure to leave a good gap on the back for some air to flow out through there. Since this was not a specifically designed to be in-ground trampoline. I probably could have raised it up another, I don't know, maybe 3 inches or so. And I think that would have given me some better airflow. If we have a problem, that's what I'll do with it in the future. But I'm pretty happy with it. It may be hard to tell, but I graded it down a little bit from the trampoline ring so that the water won't flow into the bowl. It'll flow away from the bowl. And then we were able to use the fill dirt on this part of the yard because we had a above ground pool here, and so this part was actually dug out and it was kind of a drop, so we used the fill from the trampoline over here. It worked out great to have my dad's little BX25 tractor, and we had to rent an excavator for a ditch job, and so actually I didn't have to come out of pocket cost on that. I think the trampoline was about $350. The sod was about $250. And of course we got some more sod to go, but I don't know, probably no more than maybe a pallet and a half or so. I may take up that grass right there because there's still a little bit of a hump. It was dark when I was grading this out, and I was grading with the little tractor instead of my bigger stuff, so I was a little impatient with it, but I'm pretty happy with it. You can see we got, like I said, there's a little gap, probably around 1/3 of it on the back. And then of course, you know, it's not sealed, so put my cup down. So, you know, there's still air that'll come up and out through there. You can see the fabric that we had in place, kind of a little retaining wall around there. Help keep critters and little feet out. But the kids love it. I'm well pleased with it. I don't have to worry about them falling off. We did think about something the other day as far as if something gets lost down in there, if somebody drops a shoe or something, that's going to be a fun retrieval. I don't know exactly what we'll do when we face that, but we'll see. But ultimately, I'm pretty pleased, pretty happy with it. I think it was a whole lot better than spending, $1,600 was the cheapest in-ground kit that I could find, and they range all the way up to, you can get some nice ones with some LED lights and everything, but they're like $3,500. So that's a lot more than what I really wanted to spend. And like I said, this one, probably altogether probably cost me no more than maybe $800 tops, fuel and everything. I mean, if you had to pay labor, it was a 2-day project, and so that's going to add another probably $3,000 or so if you have to pay somebody to install it. But that's right there at the price of the in-ground kit before the installation. So we recorded just about every step of the process, and I think start to finish, like actual work time, was somewhere around like 12 hours. So not bad. Now I gotta sod the rest of the backyard, but it is Christmas Eve. This is done and completed, and it kind of dwarfs our little play set over there. Got a little bit of cleanup left to do. Little boxes, little trash. We've got the basketball hoop. There's a basketball board in there. I hadn't put it up, but my son's, he's only 1 and our daughter's only 2.5, and she didn't really care anything about basketball right now. So we'll figure that out in a little while. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. I probably won't be bringing too many more things like this. It'll probably be much larger equipment that we're working on. But occasionally we do get some smaller jobs and stuff. And so if you've got any comments or suggestions, feel free to drop them. Let us know what you'd like to see, what you think our next project should be. And yeah, just like and subscribe to us. We'd love to hear from you. Have a Merry Christmas.